Not all, but most of the time, people that are interested in fixed indexed annuities are interested in income for life. A never ending income stream of currency, no pun intended, for life. Besides dying by fire, I think running out of money and seniors living out of money before they run out of time is one of their greatest fears. So there's many annuity companies out there that provide a guarantee that they can create an income stream using the assets or the monies, IRA, 401k, non-qualified accounts. Many of them out there. This particular one, some of them grow at a fixed rate. This is a more aggressive one. This one happens to be offered through the company Athene in the brochure.
It
This
looks
does,
pretty similar to where you're at right now.
yeah. So what it can do for a fee, it's not free, is so you have your account value. That's where your credits are added every 2 years. You have the surrender value, which is if you were to forfeit or back out of the contract at any time, what you would have. And then you have the income benefit base, which is the pile of money that you're creating an income stream forever, indefinitely. Even if the actual account value dropped to zero, you can lean. If you had $100,000 and you went to the bank and you pulled it 10,000 out 10 years in a row, there's no money left. That's a basic metaphor of what this solves. If your actual account value hits zero, it doesn't matter because you're drawing off the income benefit base, which is a separate column of money. For a 1% fee, you could add this rider, which is an additional feature, which the purpose of it is to create an income stream for life for retirees, seniors. The way that it works is you have to hike for days and days and days to get out here. But after that, okay, it adds a 1% fee, and what it does is every 2 years when there are earnings interest credits, it adds 4.5% to that every single year. So on average of the 10-year length of the contract, say you were getting 20% interest credits, they would add 4% to that. And you can see on this graph here that the income benefit base is growing much more aggressively than at a fixed rate, which many of the other companies are doing. So again, this is I'm going to read right off the brochure because I don't want to create anything that the insurance company might not like. I'm using their words. Strengthen your growth potential. Janet, age 58. Objective. Janet wants to maximize her future retirement income. Solution. Janet allocates a portion of her retirement savings to BCA 10 2.0 with SGO Max. A 10% income base bonus immediately increases the amount used to allocate her lifetime income. Her income base will grow at a 4.5% roll-up annual compounding interest rate plus 100% of her BCA 10 2.0 interest earnings, if any, credited to the income benefit base at the end of every 2-year term period. Result: after 12 years, Janet begins taking lifetime income withdrawals and benefits from the source of retirement income guaranteed for life. Yeah, I skipped over that one piece. They add a 10% bonus to that pile of money up front.
They add what?
Well, it's going to grow. I mean, that's just icing on the cake. That's not why you would do it. But say if you had $1 million account, that it would be a 1.1 million income benefit base, and then it would grow at a 4.5%, 4.5% roll up, plus every 2 years the credits, if any, are added to that benefit base. So if you had a 20% interest credit hit every 2 years, they would add the 4.5 to that. It's a very aggressive,
Nice.
aggressive way of creating a nice income stream for the rest of your life that you cannot outlive. What problem does this solve? Some people, they run out of time or they run out of money, but they don't run out of time. We don't want that to happen. We want your money to last the rest of your life until your time comes to go somewhere else. But one of seniors, retirees' worst fears is getting older and elderly and older and older and older and having more time and no money. So this can solve that problem. And look how placid the lake is. Your mind and your family's conscience can be as
Smooth as
soft
glass.
and as smooth and ripple free as possible, regardless of what the markets are doing. This is not a variable account. You cannot, your principal and interest earnings are not exposed to market exposure. If you're looking for peace of mind, this could be an excellent option for you. It does have a 1% annual rider charge.
Brought to you by...
American Family Senior Services.
I didn't see it. Let me zoom in again. There we go. American Family Senior Services. 703-509-9594. Call us. 703-509-9594.
Was that smooth or what?
Yes.
Good.